Professional quality round cutter, 3.5-inch diameter, plain edge. Great for cutting cookies and other foods. Stainless steel. 3.5-inch diameter, 1.75-inch high. Ateco 3.5-inch round stainless steel cutter. Ateco rolling pins have the weight needed to roll out even the stiffest of doughs. They are made in Canada out of solid maple. Styles range from a 19 inches dowel, the 20 inches French pin, or the professional rolling pins in a variety of lengths and feature handles with ball bearings for a smooth and free rotation. Ateco decorating tubes and decorating sets, available in stainless steel or plastic, provide bakers of every skill level with tools for successful cake and pastry decorating. For best results, use with Ateco pastry bags and decorating turntable. Shown here, Ateco Russian tips make quick work out of piping intricate flowers with little effort and no flower nail required. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for cathead biscuits. I own a diner in Alabama where we make cathead-size biscuits from scratch. These cutters are perfect for the diameter and thickness of the dowel we use. I cut my biscuits an inch thick and these have no problem with that. I could cut them 2 inches with these with no problem. Also, I don't have to flour these cutters because the dough doesn't want stick to them. Been using them for 3 months now and they still look brand new. Highly recommend. I wish they made them in squares.